Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please give this video a thumbs up to help the channel grow. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. The Earth Experiment Evolving. By Angel V. ORNEDO Jr., August 15, 2022, 10:17 p.m. Light workers and way showers volunteers know the Earth experiment is programmed to fail when they agreed to assist, raise the consciousness of Earth as darkness, and the Niburians, Anunnaki, foreclose the planet as their property. The Dark programmed all beings on the planet as their slaves, and feed on their energies in various ways. We learn to understand now. Volunteers agreed and experienced forgetting. Now this moment aware humans realize who they are, why they are here, and the real purpose of existence on the planet. It is hard living, existing, and evolving in the planet of tears, as we are known in lighted realms. But volunteers come whose mission is to raise consciousness of Earth with humanity as riders. Now realize that it is soul progression, always until we are one with God. Despite these harrowing experiences of humanity in more than 206 million years evolving, the flock of Sananda, Emmanuel, one with God, petitioned Source for a chance for human ascendancy that reached the divine mind, God, creation. With this positive development, Creator God restored Mother Earth to her original pristine and paradise form and shift to high vibrational frequency, and for the collective consciousness of humanity be one with God. Creator God uncreated Satanic and Niburian empires returned them to their planet of origin as a result of the petitions and prayers from the Sananda flock. The dark minions are left lording, and human clones are still around fighting for material and manipulative existence. Recall on February 4, 2003, British scientists cloned a female Finnish Dorset sheep cloned egg cell from Scottish blackface sheep. The technology never stopped as humans are cloned despite government efforts to stop it. Clones are subject to God laws. With this background, aware humans realize how evolution works in a third-dimension planet in the universe. So what then is the purpose of evolution? It is a process of attaining the realization of who you really are, for all beings of creation. After thousands of incarnations at third-world dimensions and billion planets of your choice, not necessarily Earth, to attain mastery and descend to higher vibrational frequency. There are billions of planets that host flesh life at the Milky Way galaxy where we incarnate, evolve and start attaining the full realization of knowing that we are expression, a fractal of Source. We have qualities of one with God, infinity, omniscient, and omnipresent, which are only a few of those powers we will have and experience as we evolve to higher vibrational frequency. At higher vibrations, evil, time, and space are inexistent. Harmony, love and light pervade and overflow everything, everywhere in a community of unconditional love, compassion and kindness. Hollywood movies portray those powers that include telepathy, teleportation, bilocation, abundant manifestation of desires and telekinesis. Much more as we shift to the fifth or to the seventh vibration where we are destined to go, and as we imagined and utilize these powers. Vision and imagination can make you a creator, as what the lighted realms have informed us through our intuition. Again we say we are fractals of Creator God, Source. In the 1990s, while still in deep sleep at the third D, I visualized projects and sales to happen as I awaken in the morning and before sleeping for 30 days, and capitalists came and assisted me in these endeavors with planning and consistent effort. What wonders visions and imagination did to my life. My gratitude to Sananda, Mother Mary, and Archangel Michael who guided me. All of these years material acquisitions are never my dream, but creating livelihood for my fellow man is, and I wondered once more why service to others is my primordial function. Awareness came in 2007 and Sananda plucked me from forgetting and took me on a light ship to the galaxies. Wonders and beauty abound, changing my perspectives and transformed me to be an observer and a continuing teacher. When we agree to incarnate on Earth, we know that we are entering a dense life and let live planet, the worst of 20,000 past civilizations that subjects a human being to forgetting, duality and separation, all difficult situations and bizarre happenings where failure is a surety. Why will you fail to attain love and light? God gave you free will and you open yourselves to human flesh desires of good and evil, and in most cases enslavement of other humans to attain material benefits for the carbon shell, the flesh you occupy and reside, as you have forgotten who you really are. Mastery comes after several incarnations. We all played good and bad, evolving in the planet of tears. Graduates of planet Earth known as Ascended Masters, the likes of Emmanuel, Saint Germain and Mary, are the best teachers who are prepared and consistently master the dense environment of the 3D planet. Asu Emmanuel, real name of Jesus on Earth, says there are 178 billion planets at the Milky Way galaxy to choose from where you can evolve and incarnate, learn and attain the mastery of living at dense planets and therein evolve, be masters and teachers of sleeping beings. For clarity, Mind-body-spirit resides at 3D, illusion in the crystalline form resides at the 5D and higher lighted realms. My family, siblings and myself are lucky we connect since birth with these ascended masters through prayers and intentions on knowing our prayers are always answered, manifested to reality at God's time. Yes, at God's creation times. They look at science contribution to evolution. Definitely the word evolution is defined and interpreted in various ways. Science Focus BBC and scientists said amoebas exist till this moment as they adapt to niches they colonized from the bottom of the seas to your skull. At the Marianas, West Pacific, Philippines, 11 kilometers down deep at the trench of the ocean live amphipods like rabbits, and xenophyohores, single-cell like amoebas. Science says we came from amoeba or one-celled organism and multiplied, coalesced and cooperated with others living together until an organism formed us mammals. Homo sapiens sapiens, a combination of almost 4.5 trillion cells cooperating. But science is learning as Hawkins and Einstein are singing different tunes to their death as published. That is a wonderful concoction of men. Others will have fun time as they will not agree with science that we came from amoebas or monkeys. The orangutans in dispute till the end of times with Mother Earth turning her polarity or subjected to solar flash, going supernova as it is 1.5 billion years old. Astronomers disagree as they said it has to be 10 billion years for Sol to die out. The truth is we are created as extensions, part and likeness of Creator God, that is truth, and we are all brothers and sisters of the universe, one having our experience for the Creator God and be one with God, thence attain creation. On the biblical score, what is intriguing is the story of Elijah, the great prophet of Israel, being taken to heaven, found in 2 Kings 2:1-18. Elijah was taken by a beam of light to the heavens but written as chariot of fire. Manipulators erased from our memories truth as we are made to believe that the heavens have no light ships that can take us up or beam us up anytime, anywhere. Now this moment, at 3D our present reality, we have spaceships pioneered by Elon Musk and Branson's Virgin Atlantic for space tourists orbiting Earth, and the future for humanity is the same. Faster, more efficient light ships beaming people up fast as we utilize gravity, electromagnetics, and ether as power. No one can deny us the truth erased from the Bible and false statements made by scribes of Constantine 325 AD Rome, the Council of Nicaea, and Paul Saul on the life of Asu Emmanuel, God with us. Many scrolls and accounts of apostles and flocks are deleted from the Bible. Search for truth as loving humans and the flock of Sananda are now active channels of higher lighted realms. Interpretations at the third dimension of who we are seem perplexing. The truth is humans are having individual contacts with different species of living beings from within and without, astral or physical we call extraterrestrial, in the various dense 3D, 4D world, evolving until we know who we really are. Sananda, lineage of Archangel Gabriel in his life stint on Earth, our brother is very active on these contacts with his human flock. Truth bringers will share advanced technologies including their light ships and a faster way of shifting or ascendancy to higher vibrational frequencies at their time or what they think is right for humans. Creator God, the Supreme Creator, knows what is good for us after 206 million years of evolution. However, we cannot tell what Mother Earth plans to do as she shifts to higher vibration. After 2,000 years from Christ Sananda's life and 206 million years evolving, the Earth experiment is almost at the end of the line and Mother Earth is whispering to all of us her deep loving intentions. With wisdom and knowledge attained, live with light, love and truth and be prepared for the new Earth happening. Love and Light, Angel V. ORNEDO Jr., about the author. Angel teaches love, light and field of unity consciousness, builds corporations with capitalist funds to generate livelihood and share knowledge with people. Angel is 77, MBA, CPA, A, Reb ABR. Link at ornedodra@gmail.com. Read book Knowing the Infinite Creator.